Hi Scorpio, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another love read. Scorpio, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin, Scorpio. Let's see what's going on with you, what's going on with your person, and what action we can expect in this connection. So my angels, please bless this reading for Scorpio and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. All right, Scorpio, let's begin. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Scorpio, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Oh my God. Empress and the Star. What beautiful two cards to start with. Ten of Cups and the Page of Pentacles, Knight of Wands and the Five of Pentacles. Okay, so Scorpio, I'm setting down newbies, setting down two sets of cards. One side is for you, one side is for your person, and in the center I'm going to have your dialogue cards, mutual energy cards, etc. If this is your reading, you'll immediately know which side you resonate best with, right? So let me put these here. An action card for person A, action card for person B. Bottom of my deck, I have the Three of Pentacles, Scorpio, but in reverse. So let's see what's going on. I see somebody here very healed, very, very healed, maybe making all their wishes come true, shining like a star, sitting on their throne like an empress and attracting all good things to themselves. But on the other side, the other person is feeling a little demotivated. They are not being able to take action. They are trying to tap into their inner guidance or whatever, but they feel this lack of clarity as to where this connection is going. So one person seems to be very well put together, sitting like pretty here. Look at this. Empress with the Star card. This is how one person is feeling. I'm good by myself. I don't chase. I don't need anybody. I want people in my life, but I am making all my own dreams and wishes come true. Whereas the other person is feeling down. Okay, so let's start with some dialogue message cards between the two of you, Scorpio. Let's see what's going on. Then I'll clarify the rest of the cards. So Scorpio and their person, Spirit, if they were to say something to each other, what would that be? Scorpio and their person. And Scorpio, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Scorpio and their person. All right, good to go. Let's take a few more Scorpio from another deck. Scorpio and their person. Scorpio and their person. All right. Okay, Scorpio, let's start. Okay, 1 second. The first card here says, I can't wait to lay my head on your chest and listen to your heartbeat. I think this could be person B, who's trying to listen to their inner guidance or figure out how they can take action forward, even though right now I don't think they're being able to. I bury you with lies. I'm scared to tell you the truth. I want to have children with you. I'm not your prince and you're not my princess. I am your emperor and you are my empress. You're all I ever need to complete me. I see you in my dreams, wishing it was a reality. I let my temptations get the best of me. I got sidetracked. Seems like a lot of regret. I have a hard time focusing on you when I'm trying to build an empire. This could be person A. All right. So let's start this reading. Scorpio, let's start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you, and then we'll do the rest of the reading. So my angels, what do you have for my Scorpio gang? Blessing, guidance, advice. Marriage. Okay, so this situation could involve some kind of marriage. This could sometimes also represents coming out of a marriage. Look at this woman coming out of her house and it's all darkness behind her and stepping out into the light, right? So, yes, maybe one person is stepping out or has stepped out, and that's why the other person is feeling a little down and out. Or maybe the other person does want to offer marriage, I don't know, but the situation could involve some element of marriage between two people. Let's put this card here and let's see what's going on. Person A, you could be either side, right, Scorpio? So I'm going to read first person A and then person B. Person A has the Empress card. Why do they feel like that, Spirit? As an Empress? Empress for person A? Oh my, I think person A has been through many, many, many battles in their life. And a lot of blockages as well, which has made them a little suspicious and angry with person B. They don't want to move forward with person B. I don't think they trust them anymore. They're very happy where they are. They're protecting their energy. They're holding back. They feel that, I'm going to guard myself now. I've reached a position where I don't want to go back to being stuck or upset and angry again. I'm happy where I am. Yes, I'm bandaged, bruised, I've learnt my lessons, but this last one that I have is going to be for me, with me, because now I am in a position to take care of myself. Star, Spirit? Star? Yes, this person, whoever this Empress is they know that somebody wants a rebirth with them. They know that somebody wants a resurrection of this connection. They know that somebody wants to come back into their life and maybe apologize to them. But let's see. One more card, Spirit. How do they feel about that? That stresses them out. That stresses them out about even the thought of having a rebirth or a recycle with person B. They suspect, they are quite intuitive, they're quite connected from what I feel with the universe, and they kind of get that sense that person B could be wanting a restart or something. So what happens, Spirit, in the recent past that person A is feeling this way? 10 of Cups. This could have been a relationship already where things were good maybe at one point and then it broke down. Somebody made some wrong decisions in a very good, stable relationship. Somebody made some wrong decisions here, some wrong choices were made here, and I think this connection came to a stagnancy. Page of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles, Spirit? Page of Pentacles. Yeah, somebody I think went the wrong direction, maybe became the magician, tried to pull wool over their partner's eyes, maybe started playing around or having third parties, or something happened here which kind of, I think this was like a dream come true kind of a connection maybe at one point. It felt like all your dreams were coming true or had come true, but then it started going the wrong way because of somebody's immature in and out behavior. This connection slowly came down. Instead of going up, getting better, this connection kept going down because of somebody's bad behavior. I have the Knight of Wands twice here, Scorpio. Look at this. Okay, so how does person A now feel about person B or the connection? Knight of Wands. Why do they see this person as the Knight of Wands? I think person A did try and work it out with person B many times, but it always left to a feeling of competition, conflict, fight, always a feeling of depression and sadness, of being ignored, left behind. All this stress and tension became too much to bear. Maybe too many people in the mix, or competition, like I said, or arguments. I think person A could have tried to talk it out with them or whatever with this person who turned into the Knight of Wands in their life, and finally either they left this person to feel, left them out in the cold and went off to become the Empress themselves, or maybe that's how they feel their person made them feel. 5 of Pentacles, Spirit. 5 of Pentacles. Yes, I think this Empress could have run away from this connection, literally. Picked up whatever they could find or, collect, and just run away from a situation, almost like this woman who's running out of this dark home, and turned their back on this connection, Scorpio. One more card. I'd say Star card again. And once they did that, they took back their power, they took back their self-control, self-respect, self-love, whatever. This person healed and has now emerged as the Empress. So what action person A will now take towards person B, I'll open later. Scorpio, let's go on to the other side and let's see what's happening here. Person B, why do you have the Ace of Wands in reverse? Ace of Wands in reverse. They know they destroyed a beautiful connection. They know that they had this 10 of Cups in the palm of their hand, Scorpio, and they pierced 10 swords into it. Can you imagine? 10 of Cups to the 10 of Swords. That's like black and white, or white to black. And that's why they're feeling this sad and unmotivated and feeling really down maybe about their situation, because they don't know what to do now. High Priestess, Spirit. Why is the person B in the high? Oh. Now they're seeing their person as the Empress, but they also know they're feeling so foolish. They're feeling so foolish. They do want another round with this Empress. They don't want to shut this chapter down with this Empress, but they somewhere feel that this Empress is no longer willing to work with them. They disrespected an Empress, my God. And now they're trying to tap into their intuition to see how they can work it out, because this Empress doesn't seem to be on the same page as them, it seems. One more card, Spirit, for the High Priestess. Yes, this person definitely wants victory with this Empress once again. They don't want to shut this chapter down. So what happened, Spirit, in the recent past for person B to be feeling this way? Sun in reverse. Why is the Sun in reverse? Yes, the happiness left this connection. Maybe they did something, maybe they didn't invest in this connection, or they wasted too much time, or didn't put in the work which was needed for this 10 of Cups to keep growing. And guess what? I have the Ace of Wands again in reverse. Right? So this person never took action, maybe never invested, never brought any happiness to this connection, and made this Empress feel very upset and angry. Could have been into third parties also, I don't know. Sometimes the Empress is, the Queen of Wands in reverse is chasing after, third party kind of women, I don't know. 7 of Pentacles in reverse. This person, whoever this person was, person B, did never ever listen to their intuition about what was important, what wasn't important, and all that came to light. I think all that came to light, maybe about their flirting ways, maybe about their stuff that they were doing on the side, I don't know, but whatever they were doing came to light, and must have made this Empress feel very upset and angry. So how does person B now feel about this connection, Spirit? This could also be in the recent past. Maybe person B has tried to offer love once again to person A. But because now this Empress knows it all, she's the High Priestess. This Empress says, I know all your secrets. I know what you've done to me. I don't want to invest with you again, or something like that. How does person B see this connection now, Spirit? 4 of Pentacles in reverse. They feel this marriage or this marriage-like connection, they've been released from it, and it makes them feel very ungrounded. They feel they've been released of this commitment. This Empress doesn't want to be in a commitment with them anymore. That makes them feel very insecure, ungrounded. They see person A as now single, maybe, as very abundant and doing very well on their own, pre-Empress, but actually person A is now the Empress. They've grown up since, being just the Nine of Pentacles. But yes, person B does feel they've kind of lost their chance because person A could be really glowing at the moment, right? So, King of Swords, Spirit now. King of Swords. King of Swords. I think they do want to communicate. They do want to communicate about. They want to rebuild. Yes, they want to rebuild now. They want to tell person A that I've made a decision. Let's get out of the cold. Of not being together. I'm not happy with you. None of my wishes are coming true. There is something this person B still wants to communicate and talk about. What do they want to talk about, Spirit? What is this King of Swords? What's this King of Swords wanting to say? That they're not happy. They want to maybe talk about all the lies or whatever was done in the past. They're not happy that their stability has gone. They want to talk, but I think they're a bit scared as well. They don't know how to articulate it, how to say it now, because things are totally in the open now. There's no cover-up job that can be done here. And they know that this Empress is too wise to get, influenced once again. Or so let's see. Person A, will you take any action towards person B? Queen of Cups in reverse. This Empress is telling me that I gave a lot of love to person B. I gave so much of my love, my dedication, my time, my effort, and I'm drained out because they never refilled my cup. I have nothing left to give to them. Queen of Cups in reverse. Why is that an action? Yes, they feel this was a very chaotic kind of a connection, or their person was a very rash, immature person, and they've already pulled themselves out of a connection which they didn't want to stay in a situation, or they don't want to go back now into a situation which they're going to regret once again. Person A is healing. They've already come out of a place. They don't want to go back into a place of regret and sorrow and upset and feeling, oh my God, what did I do, and whatever. So I think person A is kind of it's not that they're bad or they don't want to give. They're just depleted. They don't have even a drop more left to give to a situation which hasn't worked out for them. At least for the time being. Person B, any action from your end? Magician in reverse. They're still trying to play the trickster. They're still trying to trick person A. Let's see what they're planning. Magician in reverse, Spirit. Magician in reverse. Why is that an action? They're gossiping. They're trying to get information from other people. They are... Oh, right. One more. They could be a bit depressed at the moment as well. Not feeling happy at all that, they are disappointed that their harvest did not grow, or this connection did not grow. They desperately want this Empress to put down her guard. Okay? They are holding on for dear life. They don't want things to change. They don't want this chapter to end. This person could be must be a little depressed or maybe unwell, I don't know. But they are right now playing a bit of a trickster. Maybe they are gossiping, talking about this Empress, trying to gather information about this Empress. Still in their little bit of, I would say, immature behavior. Why are they doing all this, Spirit? Why is person B behaving like this right now? Why is person B behaving like this? Why is that an action? They want to make sure that person B doesn't have somebody else or is not working with somebody else. They're trying to gather information if there is another person in the mix, if they are the only one, if there are not two people that are in this Empress's life, whether it's worth working on this connection or not. This is very immature, sidey behavior, I would say, this Emperor. So what is the action, Emperor? I'm sorry, Magician. I need to know what is the action you're going to take towards person A. Okay, they're going to come forward with some excuse of some working together. Can we do this together, or can we do that together, maybe with a group of people, or I don't know what, but some excuse to maybe ask for help to do something. Heart of Hearts, basically what they're looking for is a truce, but right now they're not coming like straightforward, because somewhere they know that with all their past behavior, a direct conversation is going to lead nowhere, because they've already lost this Empress. So they're trying to sneak in or find some sideway entry. One more. Why? Because they know this, they've broken this Empress's heart. Yes, they know with whatever games they played in the past, this Empress has made a choice, chosen a direction, and left with a broken heart. And they also know now it's already too late. They've done a lot of injustice to this Empress. So they cannot come straight forward and say, hey, I'm sorry, can we get back? Because that's going to not amount to anything. So they are either they've lost hope, or they're not being able to manifest this Empress back, or they could be thinking of some sneaky way to lure this Empress back into their world. Alright, so that's all I have for you, Scorpio. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.